How to use Jira Software, the best project management software. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at Jira Software, what this software can do, how you can optimize your business or your teams with this basic little software, and how you can really use this in a diverse fashion. So let's get into it. Now to get started, simply head on over to Atlassian.com and just go on to /Jira and you will be able to find this. And all you have to do is click on get it for free, and you will be able to select what kind of software you want. So Jira has two basic sections. So you have Confluence or Jira Service Management, and you can choose whatever you want. Confluence is usually for you to organize your documents. You can share documentation, so on and so forth. But Jira Service Management is the one that we're going to be focusing on because it's the one that you can use for project management and so much more. After that, you can continue with Google or sign up with your email address, and it's absolutely free for 10 people. So if you have a team of 10 people, you can use the Jira software for free as well. You don't have to pay for anything at all. And once you do that, this will lead you to the sign up form. It's going to give you a work email, your site name, and you can choose to change it as well. And I'm just going to click on agree and start now. And this is because I have previously created an account on Jira. I cannot change that, but I'm just using that same account to log in over here. So once I've done that, I can simply click on Atlassian, and let's say I just want to go into this section, or I want to go into this one over here. So you can see over here that I want to use the Jira Service Management, and I can simply click on Open Jira Service Management. And the best part about it is that you can name your little section. So switch to whatever workplace you want or whatever section it might be, and you can name it, and then you can enter your Jira Software, Jira Service Management, and Confluence. All three of these can be, used together, so you can really use them all together. And let's say I want to open the Jira Work Management from here. This will open up the work management. If I want to open the Jira Administration, I can click on Open Jira Administration, and in this way I can manage my entire business. So you can see this is like a default dashboard, and from here this is the Jane Doe little work section, and I can even go on ahead and use multiple different products. So I can click on, let's say I want Jira Administration, I want Jira Work Management, and I can use all of these together as well. Now, other than that, what you're going to do once you head on over to Jira is that you're going to be able to see your project. So let's say that this is for my business, and within my business, I want to create a launch product. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on create over here, and it's facing a little bit of issues. So I can simply go on to create over here. So I have just refreshed my page. It was facing a little bit of an issue, and I have gone over to Jira Work Management, and now I can click on create, and I can click on whatever it might be. So if it's a marketing project, I can do that. Then I can enter what kind of task it is. So let's say the issue type is launching a new product, and this is a marketing project. And you can also choose to import issues if you have like a previous setup where you were using that. Once you've done that, you can enter a summary of your issues, you can enter descriptions. Then you also have things such as assignees. So you can assign this to a certain person. You can also choose a reporter. Then you can set the priority. You can set multiple different labels. You can create labels as you go. Then you can also select due dates, start dates, categories, attachment, and any kind of linked issues. So you can choose any kind of related issues as well. Once you click on create, so I'm just going to click on create over here, and once you click on create, you can simply go into your dashboards and click on create dashboard, and you can create a dashboard of multiple different people where they can access all the issues. So let's say I have a sales team, then I can create a dashboard called sales, enter the description, enter the viewers and editors, enter my team over there, and within that dashboard I can filter out or create all the issues regarding sales could be added to this specific dashboard. And within this dashboard I can use columns, I can change the layout, you can provide it however you want. So let's say I want to add a new gadget from over here. Once I've clicked on done, I will simply click on over here, and I'm just going to refresh this, make sure it is saved, and I can click on create and then add this all over here and select the category as sales, and it will be added to my sales dashboard. Now, other than that, you also have your project. So in your project, you can see I entered this marketing project, and this was the first task that I created. Now, the best part about using Jira is that it is not a basic project management or software management tool. It has a lot more depth, a lot more powerful features, because if you go into the project section, it's pretty much like Trello or ClickUp. It's pretty similar to those. They have multiple different views. You can create lists, calendars, timeline views, forms, pages, issues, reports, shortcuts, so on and so forth. You can enter different categories as well. You can choose to rename this, so not started, planning, in progress, ready to review, so on and so forth. You have performance, done, approved. Let's say I have a failed section as well. So let's say I entered a failed section, and that is it. So you can see in this way you can add multiple different task levels. Wherever the task is performing currently, you can place it over there. You also can click on project settings and customize the look and appearance of your project, and you can create multiple different projects at once. Then you also have filters. So let's say that you are looking in your business, you're looking to improve upon a certain issue. You can filter out things that are affecting that issue and use the information from there to get started. So this is going to really help you in creating a simpler and more optimized fashion for your work, because a lot of times we're targeting a different thing than the one that we really need. And this is going to really not help you as simply as it would using just the Jira software. So if we go on to Jira software over here, we can click on try it now and optimize our work further from our project manager to Jira software. Jira software really encompasses everything you need. So you're just going to click on get started over here. Once you click on get started, it's going to take a little bit of time to set up Jira software as it is, because it is, a powerful tool. It has multiple different optimized features that are going to enable you to shorten the time you take to just manage your business, to make sure everything is running as smoothly as it is. So I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds, and after that, you're going to go to Jira software. Now, once you do that, you can see this is our little Jira software section, and you can create, different sections. This is for my account over here. I can create a different account and create a different board for a separate team. And the best part about this is that you don't have to create a project you don't have to enter all of your team members in one project board. You can create multiple different project boards that are present within a singular workspace of Jira, which will enable you to manage your business but still keep certain sections. Maybe you want to keep your marketing section separate from your IT people, so you can still do that using Jira. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to get started with Jira. The best part about using Jira is that it starts for free for up to 10 users. You can create unlimited project boards and you get 2 gigabytes of storage as well. And then if you take a look at the standard version, so you can enter up to 35,000 users, and this is amazing for guest users as well. Then you also have 250 gigabytes of storage, and you also get roles and permissions and audit logs. Then the premium version starts at 1525, where you have advanced roadblocks and project achievements, unlimited storage, and guaranteed uptime. And then there's the enterprise version. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.